Hi, I'm Katrina from Cookie Lee Fine Fashion Jewelry, and I am here today to interview Susie Sandoval with Organize Zen. And tell us again what your company is all about.
Great. Well, it's all about simplifying your life, creating fun ways to get organized so you can have more peace in your life.
Cool. I could use some more peace in my life. Well, so let's talk about what you have for us today. What is something that we can do with something you can just find around the house that can help you to organize your jewelry so that you can find it when it's time to wear it?
I have a fun one for you. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
It's an everyday item. Everyone has one of these most likely. And it is a cheese grater.
A cheese grater?
Can you see it? Yeah.
Okay.
I know, right? You want to make sure that the cheese grater side that you're using is actually not the grating side, because then you might get all scratched up and stuff, and you don't want that. But you can see it's got holes on it, so guess what? It makes it perfect
to hold your earrings and drop them on the floor.
Hold your earrings. Let's try that again. There we go.
Yeah.
You got that one? Okay.
Yeah.
You can
so
put this
you
one
just
on.
put it in here.
Yep.
And this one is just apparently very stubborn.
I know, right? There you go.
There we go.
So you just stick these ones in here. Those are gorgeous. Love those earrings.
Oh, and they have a little bit of a different shape to them, and so you're just putting them in the larger size grade of grating there. Okay.
You know, and what I would suggest doing is we all have different kind of pieces of jewelry, right? We have some gold pieces, we have some silver pieces. Maybe you have some dress-up pieces, maybe you have some casual pieces. So you can actually create different organizing strategies.
Move it closer to that.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, so we can see it.
So you can grab one of these and do some of your gold pieces on there. You can grab another one and do some of your silver pieces to separate them out and make it really easy when you're deciding what to wear.
Now, I would probably get one of those that you stand up on the counter so that you would have a front and a back that you can use with more spaces.
Exactly. They have the ones that have like the four sides to them. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can do that, or you can hang this also. Imagine, I don't want to take it too far, but imagine if you had a few of these, it would start looking like an artistic piece, like in your actual home. So it's your jewelry, but it's also a little artsy too.
We practiced this before when we were doing
ready
for the video. Okay, wait, let's see.
Oh,
look at that. Doesn't that look cool?
There you go.
All right. I love that idea. And I love it that it's not like $400, you know, that you have to go get a whole bunch of money and do that. Now, I know when I wear these, though, I like to have the earring backs.
Yes.
So what do you do with those?
Yeah. So basically there's just like a little, a bowl that we have here. And just put your little, you're talking about these, right?
Yeah.
These little backings. The backings that come.
So show what you mean.
Here. So we'll take off the backing and then put it on here. And then just hang your earrings so that when you need your backing, it's really easy and you don't lose them.
So it's just right here in the bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got
easy.
it. Yep.
Very, very fun.
Easy peasy.
Okay, cool.
So cute, too.
All right. So that's a really great thing to do with your earrings. What about necklaces?
All right. So necklaces are so many different options. One of them that I really, really love is this simple Elfa shelving piece from the Container Store.
Okay.
It's actually $10, really inexpensive, and it's got all these little spokes or whatnot. So it makes it really easy to, let's grab our little secret backing here.
All right.
So we can help that. So it makes it really easy to, once again, hang your jewelry. And what I find is, what's really nice is that there's enough space on here where, again, if you want to put all your gold pieces on one side, all your silver pieces on another, so it makes it really easy to create that perfect look.
Great. That looks so easy.
And a few things that you can do with this is you can see there's little holes on here, so you can actually take like a big mirror or picture frame, and you can actually just nail these right into that picture frame, or even a wood piece. You can also spray paint this too. So those are a few little ideas that you can customize it to kind of fit it into your space.
What a great idea. And then, you know, I live in a really little apartment building, and I kind of would go, well, geez, I don't know if I have the wall space to do this. So I've seen those little hooks that you can get that go over the door.
I love it.
So like it could go over your bathroom door, and then you could hang it. You wouldn't have to make any holes in the wall or anything like that and hang it up. Or put it on your mirror, as you said, so that it's already there on your mirror, and you're, you know, doing your makeup or
trying all your different
looking
pieces
on your outfit, and you go, oh, I like this one, and you can try it on. You don't have to like go over to your dresser or anything like that. Well, that is such a really cool, simple idea.
You know, I think the overall theme of this is just separating out your pieces so they're not all together, so it's not jewelry chaos. And then having just fun little ways. There's things that, again, you can use everyday household things, or just simple
I just got an
things.
idea.
Yes.
Can you just hang this on here?
And that's inspiration for you right
See,
there. That's
I think I need to be in your organization, don't you think?
Absolutely. You can come anytime. Let's go over to your home and we'll start doing the jewelry. You're actually already very organized, though. I know that. So
thank you so much, Susie. I appreciate that. And if people want to go see photos of other ways to organize their jewelry and other ideas, what's your website?
Yeah. So please check it out. I've got tips, tricks, so much information. I also have little challenges that you can take on a weekly basis to help you start organizing more of the spaces in your life. Go check it out at organizezenliving.com. That's www.organizezenliving.com.
Cool. Thank you so much,
Thanks,
Susie.
Katrina.